Welcome to our tutorial on efficiently inserting multiple rows or columns in Excel. In this video, we'll explore 4 different methods that will help you manage your data with ease, even when working with large datasets. Let's begin with method 1, which utilizes Excel's Insert feature. This method is perfect for those who prefer using the graphical interface and need a quick way to add new rows or columns. To insert multiple rows using this method, navigate to the row number immediately below where you want the new rows to start. Select the desired number of rows and use the Insert command from the Home tab or the right-click context menu. Similarly, for inserting columns, locate the column letter where you want the new columns to begin. Select the corresponding number of columns, and then choose Insert from the right-click context menu or the Home tab. Method 2 offers a keyboard shortcut approach using the F4 key. This method is incredibly efficient for quickly inserting multiple rows or columns without navigating through the menu options. To insert multiple rows with the F4 shortcut, simply select the row number where you want the insertion to begin. Press F4 for each row you wish to add, and Excel will automatically insert them for you. For inserting columns, the process is just as straightforward. Select the column letter where the new columns should start, press F4 the desired number of times, and watch as Excel inserts each new column. Method 3 is particularly useful when you need to duplicate existing rows or columns and then insert them elsewhere in your worksheet. We'll use the Insert Copied Cells feature to achieve this. To duplicate and insert rows, first select the rows you want to copy, use Ctrl+C to copy them, and then select the destination row. Right-click and choose Insert Copied Cells to seamlessly add the rows. The process for copying and inserting columns is identical to that of rows. Select the columns you want to duplicate, copy them, and then use the Insert Copied Cells option to add them to your desired location. For those who prefer a more automated approach, Method 4 involves writing a VBA macro. This method is ideal for power users who need to insert a large number of rows quickly and with minimal effort. To start with the VBA macro, go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. If you don't see the Developer tab, you can enable it through Excel's options. This will open the VBA editor where we'll write our macro. Once in the VBA editor, insert a new module by clicking Insert and then Module. Paste the provided VBA code into the module window. This code will prompt you for the number of rows to insert, ensuring you don't exceed a preset maximum. After saving your code, return to your Excel worksheet and run the macro. Press Alt+F8, select Insert Multiple Rows from the list, and click Run. Enter the number of rows you want to insert when prompted. Click OK. Then click on the cell in your worksheet where you want the rows to be inserted. Congratulations! You've now learned 4 different methods to quickly insert multiple rows or columns in Excel. These techniques will greatly enhance your productivity and make managing large spreadsheets a breeze. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips, tricks, and in-depth guides to improve your skills.